I cut my envelope.
What?
I mistakenly cut my envelope.
How long will it take?
100 minutes.
Huh?
Mama, did you get icing sugar?
The whipped cream already has sugar in it.
See?
Athar is doing a kite, is it? And this kite looks similar to something. No? Oh, two boxes of colors. You need so much colors.
These are 8 colors, Amma.
Oh.
See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So let's first make the whipped cream. So here we are using whipped cream powder, which is easily available in the market. We just have to follow the packet instructions. And in a big bowl I have some ice cubes. So the whipped cream, we will be whipping the cream in a big bowl on the bed of ice so that it remains chilled. So we need to keep whipping it until we get stiff peaks like this, and it's done. So it's always better if you use an electrical blender, and this whipped cream already has sugar in it, so don't have to add any sugar. And now this is done, let's chill it in the fridge.
Friends, the cake is perfectly done. Only it's a bit brown on the top because my mother's brother changed the temperature.
That's because
That's because he was playing.
Athar increased the temperature to
Yes, so
240
now-
degrees. That's okay. It's nice. So it's cool. The cake is cool.
Yeah,
Wait,
sure.
careful. You didn't see when he came into the kitchen.
Yeah.
Open. Wow.
This the butter paper below the cake.
So nice. It's nice.
Yeah, obvious. So now let's cut it.
Can you cut it?
Wow. Friends, the cake is perfectly done. So now only we have to cut it and assemble it.
So we need 2 discs, right?
Yeah.
So you're cutting it from the center. Careful. Slow.
Not sure it could cut. See?
Remove that and show. That one. So 2 discs. It's nice.
Friends, now we are assembling the cake. I couldn't get the canned cherries, so I'm using the packed boxed and manufactured cherries. The whipped cream is ready, so now we are going to assemble it.
So this we need to cut, right?
So-
This portion.
So now we have to cut this portion so we get a flat surface.
And also this portion will
Yeah.
go, right? The burnt one.
I'll cut.
Careful.
I'll try cutting.
So the dome portion is gone.
Oh, inside it's
Yeah. So actually we can save this. We can crumble this and we can use it for the cake. Okay, now it looks nice. So depending on the thickness of the cake, we can make 2 or 3 slices.
Yeah. So we'll make only one slice.
2
Our
slices.
cake is
As in 2 discs.
yeah. Time for whipped cream. Attack.
So Yash is going to use gulab jamun syrup. Careful, wait, I'll help you.
I got it.
So gulab jamun syrup is out. So you're gonna dredge. So if you want to use cherry syrup, we can use some vanilla essence, right? How much vanilla essence? A teaspoon?
2 teaspoons. Fully have to drench it, not very less, till the whole portion becomes black. That's the beauty of Black Forest.
You need to drench it completely, is it?
It's the beauty of Black Forest. My mother has also posted Rasgulla Black Forest cake. I'll give you the link in the description box below. Please do check it out. It's an awesome recipe. Otherwise, it's not called Black Forest. There's a lot of it. Gulab jamun.
So this is done.
Almost.
Okay, now this tip is for the adults, right? If adults want, they can use some rum.
No, even kids can.
No, I would not suggest for kids. Are they supposed to mix it with the syrup, sugar syrup? Huh? And then
the cherry syrup. In cherry syrup, you have to add sugar. Then you have to add rum. Mix it all together and drench it. This is what I call Black Forest.
This looks black.
That's why it's called Black Forest.
That's why it's called Black Forest.
Otherwise, it will be called Brown Forest.
It's actually dark chocolate brown. Here. The cherries.
I have sliced the cherries.
Now what?
Now, with the help of a palette knife, I am going to put whipped cream in the center and spread it.
Okay, first are you supposed to put cherries or the
On top of the whipped cream. Easy.
Carefully place the second layer. You want to turn it in place? Okay. Perfect. Awesome, Vihan. So sides we don't have to cover.
Because we are going to put chocolate in.
Great chocolate. I think this looks good.
Enough.
Perfect. So we still have so much of whipped cream left.
Which we are going to put it in.
So you want to use piping bag?
Yeah.
Careful.
It's not going to.
So the remaining cream is in the piping bag.
Friends, I forgot to put the cherries in the center. So I'll lift it and put it.
So wait, this is something which we should not do, but we don't have a choice. So wait, I'll help you. Wait. The cake is very, very brittle. This is the total wrong way of. Okay, done. I'll lift it from the other side.
Now this side. Thank God I managed it. 1 minute. Using the grater, I'm going to grate the dark chocolate. You can also use milk chocolate. Friends, If you don't want to use cherry syrup, you can also use orange juice or plain sugar water.
Sugar syrup, as in sugar water.
Sugar water.
To drench
the
cakes.
Cake with cherries. I know it's not looking so good, but I'm proud of my cake now. So now I'm sprinkling the grated chocolate.
As much of grated chocolate as you want. You can even shave the chocolate.
Yeah. Dome of cake, I'm going to crumble it and just stick it everywhere. Slowly, with my mother's help, I'm going to place it in this cake bowl. Friends, I really don't believe that I made this cake myself. I've made many cakes, but this has turned out the best. So now I'm going to set it in the fridge for about an hour or two till my father comes back, so it gets perfectly set.
It has to settle down. For how much? 1 hour or 2 hours?
1 to 2 hours. Sure. This has to taste really good, and I'm very sure about it. For a longer time.
Nana likes all chocolate. So this is your card. What is it? Okay, this opens like this. Close it.
Wait, first you said to open, I opened. This is how it opens.
Wow. So can you pull out the card from inside?
Yeah.
Sure. This card can come out, is it? Oh wow. So cute.
Friends, that's for my dad.
So this is Rehan's and Atharv's gift.
No. Yeah! The red is showing my,
Okay.
silver is showing yours.
And the card.
Together?
Where's your cards? Where's your card?
No.
You made a card, no, for Nana?
I didn't make any. Kite.
The kite card.
I can't do. Happy birthday.
Wow, thank you, Kanna. What is this?
There's
Oh,
a
you have to open
certain
like this.
way of opening.
Okay, you have to open like this.
First you have to put it in your fingers.
Okay.
Then you have to open
Okay,
it like
okay.
this.
I will put it in
Otherwise,
my fingers like this. Yeah. And then
Oh my god.
open it like this.
a secret message.
Happy birthday, dear
Nana.
Nana.
Many more happy returns of the day. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you, Kanukuti.
I wrote it very small. And
Thank you.
Where's
close
the
it the same way.
little Atharv?
What matters is the intent. Yeah.
And the design
This he
Very
went to
nice.
shop and he bought this.
Thank you, Kanu.
with my pocket money.
Again with his
pocket money. Endukra?
He has lots of pocket money. All his pocket money is gone. He bought
Really?
something for Atharv.
20 stars.
My gift. Nana, my gift is.
Huh.
I have 1,000 rupees.
What is this?
I have 1,000 rupees. A kite. No.
Kite. Oh, thank you, Kuna.
That's how. Nana, do and something it can do. See? Hey, it can fly also.
Thank you.
Nana, you notice something? I used this for the first time and it's come out good. When you sleep.
Look at Vihan. He's arranging the table. So after dinner, we'll do the cake cut.
No, my birthday's over. My birthday's over. Tata, it seems so dull.
విహాన్ పాడనే లేదు పాట పాడాలి హౌదా
ఏమి
నేను ఇస్తాను నీకు. నేను నీకు ఇవ్వాలా? నోడా సరిగ్గా తిన్నాను.
Super. Vihan,
This is
super cake. Fantastic.
Super Nana, fantastic. Vihan, so nice.
Give me.
I'll give you.
She's giving everyone it.
Only silver you are giving. Red is for you.
Oh, I'm giving only red. I am having.
Silver.
What is it?
Kanna, like red
It's like a bottle.
I like this one. I like red.
అమ్మమ్మకి మాత్రం రెడ్ నాకంతా
Not for red. Even I got red.
గర్ల్స్
Thank you, Kanna. Vihan, what did you get? Silver.
Like, share, comment, subscribe and share and see you soon with a brand new recipe. Goodbye.